Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be exploring some gentle movement, yoga postures, and breathing practices that you can do as part of your COVID recovery. So we'll be doing postures that will help you expand your chest, improve your lung capacity. Overall, this yoga practice will help you bring back your energy levels and help you release fatigue from your body as well. You can also do this yoga lesson as part of your daily practice if you're looking for a gentle yoga flow. So let's start. You're going to sit in a cross-legged position while I'm sitting. So sit straight, relax your shoulders, close your eyes for a few seconds. Make sure your spine is long, your shoulders are relaxed. And just find a natural pace of your breath. Just breathing in and out through your nose. And we'll practice belly breathing. So rest your hands gently on your belly, sitting straight. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. And breathe out through your nose, take your belly in. Do this a few more times. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Do this one more time. Breathe in through your nose, expand your stomach. Breathe out through your nose, take your stomach in. Gently get your stomach to a normal position. Rest your hands back on your knees. And on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. Let's continue with our practice. So we're going to do sitting mountain pose. So Tadasana in sitting position. Take your arms up. Interlace your fingers. Push your palms up. Breathe in. Keep stretching your arms up. Keep breathing. This will help you release the tension from your lower back, from your spine. Breathe in. And then you take your arms to your right, opening your side body. Keep breathing. Come back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out to your left. And you come back to the center again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get your arms down. Now you're going to rest your palms back behind your hips. So let me show you the side view. You can sit how you're sitting. So you can rest your palms on the mat behind your hips. Fingers are wide open. Fingers pointing forward. Just gently pressing into your palms. Expand your chest, lift your heart, take your head back gently. You don't have to close the eyes. Breathe. Relax your shoulders back. Keep breathing. And then you slowly get your spine, your head to neutral position. And now we're going to stretch forward. So you're going to take your arms up, lengthen through your spine. Breathe in. Breathe out, just take your arms forward. Rest your hands wherever you can land comfortably, whatever is comfortable for your lower back. Relax your neck, take your forehead towards your mat. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. Breathe in and out through your nose. Take 3 more breaths here. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly take your arms in. Take your arms up. Breathe in. Stretch your arms up. Get your spine down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Twist to your right. Left hand on the right knee. Right arm back. Draw your right shoulder back. Breathe. Energizing. Help you improve your flexibility as well. Breathe. Come back to the center. Take your arms up again. Breathe in. Breathe out to your left. Right hand on the left knee. Left shoulder back. Breathe. Come back to the center. Now rest your right hand down, take your left arm over your ears, breathe. And we're going to go in a flow. Left hand down, right arm. Continue like this. 1. Keep breathing at your natural pace. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you come back to the center. And now we're going to stretch our neck. So take your right hand, put it on the left side of your head, lean your head to the right, stretch the left side of your neck. Relax your left shoulder down, breathe. Get your head to neutral position, release your right hand, switch side. Left hand on the right side of your head, lean your head to the left, stretching the right side of your neck. Keep breathing. And then you get your head to neutral position, release your left hand. Now interlace your fingers, put it at the back of your neck. Take your head back, resting your head on your palms. Open your elbows, expand your chest, breathe. Keep taking your elbows out, keep breathing, lifting your heart, expanding your chest. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your head to neutral position, stretch the back of your neck. Take your chin to the chest, get the elbows in, sitting straight, breathe. Come back to the center and now extend your right arm up, take it back. So your right palm is gently touching your left shoulder blade and cross your left arm like this. And your left hand is gently touching your right shoulder blade. Uttan Bandukasana. Gently take your elbows back, breathe, stay here. Expand your chest, normal breathing. Crossing your arms at the back, keep breathing. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. Rest your hands gently on your shoulders now. Now you're going to join your elbows together. Take your elbows up and back. So you're making like an invisible O. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Continue. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. 2 more. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. 1 more. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. We're going to change now. Elbows back, up, breathe in and breathe out. Let's do this 5 times. 1, 2. Join your elbows when you come to the front. Keep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. And then you slowly release your hands and relax. Close your eyes for a few seconds. Breathe. Just taking a pause, observing everything you experience now. And then you gently open your eye. And now let's work on our joint loosening and mobility. So you can take a support of the wall and sit, extending your legs. Let's start with our feet. So you're going to get your toes forward and back like this. So I'm going to show the side view, but you can sit as you're comfortable. Okay? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Then you do the rotation. So loosening your joints in your ankle. 1, 2, many directions to start with. 3, 4, 5. And then you switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you can move your toes slowly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now extend your arms at the shoulder level. Let your palms face up. Make a fist. Take your arms in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Open and extend. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's do this 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now turn your fist in and do the rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now open your fingers like this and do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your fingers and get your hands down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, relax. Okay, now lift your right leg up and we're going to work on our mobility for our knee joint. And let's move our leg in clockwise direction like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Working on your knee joint mobility. Change the direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Switch side. Change. 1. Start with any direction. 2, 3, 4, 5. And switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. So these were the movements and breathing practice that you can do as part of your COVID recovery. These are some gentle movements that will help you energize your body and release your fatigue. We will end the practice with one chant of Om that's really calming and soothing for your body and mind. So sit straight, relax your shoulders, and we are going to start now. Breathe in through your nose. You can close your eyes. Sit straight, relax your shoulders. Breathe in through your nose. And sit quietly for a few seconds if you like. And then on your next exhalation, gently open your eyes. Namaste. We are done with our practice for today. I hope you're feeling energetic and better after this practice. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions from our today's practice, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Namaste. Thank you so much.